So most importantly, as the helm, firstly to sail the boat as fast as possible, and secondly to respond to the gusts as soon as possible. If you can see a particularly big gust coming towards you, it's good to turn the boat a little downwind before it hits, and that will take a bit of the sting out of that gust. As the crew, the two most important things for this high wind downwind sailing is firstly to be as far back on the boat as possible, utilising the foot strap right at the back, and secondly to make sure the spinnaker is not over sheeted, because that is going to slow the boat down more than anything else. So the aim here is to keep the windward hull just free of the water at all times. Doing this by heading up to get more power and then bearing away to get less power. A tip to prevent oversteering is to rest your arm on the tiller connecting bar. So as the gust comes, the hull is going to start to lift. We're then going to bear away, not so that the hull starts to come down again, but just so it stops lifting any higher. And then as the hull starts to drop, we're going to turn the boat towards the wind very slightly, trying to keep the power on the boat constant at all times. Keep the main sheet sheeted as hard as possible at all times in the heavy wind, as this is essential to reduce drag and this will help to support the mast.